Every so often, a study emerges that shifts a long-standing conversation, not with dramatic headlines, but with steady, careful evidence. That's exactly what has happened in the field of nutritional neuroscience. For decades, scientists wondered whether daily multivitamins could genuinely help protect memory in older adults. Now, with new long-term trial data, including the highly regarded Cosmos Mind study, the answer appears to be yes. The benefits are modest, but they are real, measurable, and encouraging. The Cosmos Mind trial, which followed more than 2,200 older adults over several years, is one of the most rigorous tests ever conducted on multivitamins and cognitive aging. Participants were randomly assigned to receive either a daily multivitamin or a placebo, then completed repeated cognitive assessments that measured episodic memory, processing speed, and executive function. What researchers found surprised even the optimistic. Those taking a multivitamin showed a statistically significant advantage in global cognitive scores, with the strongest gains in memory performance. Perhaps the most striking result was that the multivitamin group performed as if they were roughly 1 to 2 years younger in cognitive age. That is a subtle but meaningful slowing of age-related memory decline. Instead of a dramatic jump in ability, the improvement looked more like a gentle nudge upward, a stabilization rather than a surge. But in the context of aging, stability is often the most precious gift. Follow-up analyses strengthened the case. In a separate Cosmos cohort, researchers observed similar patterns. Participants taking a multivitamin performed better on long-term recall tasks and maintained their cognitive scores more consistently over 3 years. These replicated findings across multiple groups of older adults offer the kind of reliability that nutritional science rarely achieves. What's behind these benefits? Scientists believe the explanation is deceptively simple. Many older adults have small, subclinical nutrient insufficiencies that accumulate quietly over the years. These aren't severe deficiencies that cause obvious symptoms. They're subtle gaps in vitamins like B6, B12, folate, vitamin D, or various trace minerals. Even slight insufficiency can compromise mitochondrial energy production, neurotransmitter synthesis, and repair processes that neurons depend on every day. Multivitamins appear to provide a broad, metabolic safety net. Instead of targeting a single pathway, they support dozens of interconnected processes, helping red blood cells carry oxygen more efficiently, stabilizing homocysteine metabolism, bolstering antioxidant defenses, and enabling enzymes that maintain synaptic health. The brain thrives on sufficiency, and the cumulative effect of filling these small nutrient gaps seems to be a smoother, more resilient cognitive trajectory. Another encouraging finding from Cosmos Mind is that adults with poorer baseline nutrition benefited the most. Those who entered the study with lower dietary quality experienced larger boosts in memory once supplementation began. This suggests that multivitamins can help level the playing field, supporting brain health even among individuals who may not consistently eat a varied or nutrient-dense diet. Neuroimaging and biomarker studies that accompany these trials hint at deeper mechanisms. Some participants taking multivitamins show healthier patterns of brain connectivity, better metabolic efficiency, and lower levels of oxidative stress. These early signals align with what we know about aging. Oxidative damage, impaired energy metabolism, and micronutrient insufficiency gradually strain the brain's resilience. Providing steady nutritional support may help ease that strain. The gentle nature of the improvements is part of what makes this research so hopeful. Multivitamins are widely available, low-cost, and easy to incorporate into daily routines. They are not substitutes for healthy food, deep sleep, social engagement, or exercise, but they act as supportive scaffolding, reinforcing the brain's metabolic foundation day after day. This aligns well with a broader shift in cognitive aging research. Scientists are beginning to appreciate cumulative interventions. It may not be one miracle treatment that protects the brain, but many small habits layered together: stable nutrition, steady micronutrient intake, and long-term metabolic support. Looking ahead, researchers plan to explore how multivitamins interact with other elements of a healthy lifestyle, whether certain nutrient formulations work better for adults with specific genetic profiles, and how early supplementation might influence long-term trajectories of cognitive resilience. But even now, the message from the data is encouraging. Daily multivitamins aren't magic, but they are meaningful. They offer older adults a gentle, accessible way to support memory, slow cognitive drift, and maintain clarity, as the years unfold. In the landscape of healthy aging, small advantages accumulate, and for the brain, even a slight strengthening of the foundation can make all the difference.